There are several reasons OBS can show a black screen, but thankfully the fixes are usually pretty straightforward. I will show you a few solutions that have helped many OBS users solve this issue, and one of them will most likely work for you as well. Let's start with the fix that worked for me, which is to change the capture method. Right here in OBS, this is your black screen and it's the problem we are trying to fix. Now go to where your sources layer is located. We need to tell OBS what it needs to record, which is our desktop screen. This is why it is written here, you don't have any sources. So click the plus button below or right click the center to add a source. Whichever way you want, the properties will still open. So I will right click on the center right here, add a source, then select display capture. Right now, create a new source. We can save it as display capture or any other name you want to. And make sure you check mark this place where it says make source visible. After that, click OK. When that is done, this new window will appear asking you to choose your capture method and the display that you want OBS to capture. Go to capture method and select Windows 10, open brackets, 1903 and up, close brackets. Also, go to display and select a display to capture. Select 1920 by 1080, which is the primary monitor. Automatically, your preview canvas that was black will now see exactly what your screen is showing. And also make sure your capture cursor is checked marked. After that, click OK to save these changes. Now, as you can see, we have been able to fix it and everything is working fine and good. If you are still seeing a black screen, the next thing to try is running OBS as administrator. Close OBS completely, right-click the OBS shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives OBS permission it needs to capture certain applications and display correctly. Once OBS open, test your display capture again to make sure that all the settings are accurate and are working properly well. If neither of the previous fixes worked, let's check your graphics settings. Open Windows Settings and search for Graphics Settings. Once you open your graphics settings, scroll down to check if OBS is added to the list already. If you don't see it, then go to Add Desktop App and click it. Then navigate the search box and search for OBS program file. When you see the OBS program file, select it and click Add. Now scroll down to the list again to check if OBS has been added. Then click OBS Studio, choose options and select graphics mode that is best recommended for your system. After these changes have been applied, restart OBS and it should work perfectly well now. If one of these solutions worked for you, let me know in the comments which one fixed the problem. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Dockay Hub for more Windows and content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you all in the next video.